Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Automates What Happens When the World's Leading Heavy Machinery Giant Drops a Game Changer. We get something like the 2026 Caterpillar D75, a dozer that doesn't just push dirt, it pushes boundaries. If you thought Caterpillar was already at the top of its game, the D75 will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about bulldozers. It's not just a machine, it's a statement. And today, we're taking you on a ride through everything that makes this beast the biggest conversation in construction right now. First off, let's talk about design. The D75 brings an all-new, aesthetic, sleek, angular, and somehow aggressive yet elegant. It's got that unmistakable cat DNA, but modernized, streamlined. The cab is fully redesigned, sitting lower for a better center of gravity, and it's got reinforced visibility panels that wrap around almost seamlessly. The LED lighting system, fully adaptive, not just for better nighttime operation, but also smart enough to adjust based on weather and terrain. And let's not ignore that stealthy matte black variant. Limited edition, people are calling it the Batmobile of bulldozers. Under the hood, Caterpillar's dropped a bombshell. The D75 isn't just running cleaner, it's running smarter. It's powered by the new Cat C1 3D engine, a twin-turbo diesel electric hybrid system that delivers jaw-dropping torque with up to 18% less fuel consumption compared to its predecessor, the D6Z. That's right, this dozer isn't just flexing muscle, it's flexing brains too. The hybrid drive stores energy during braking and downhill movement, then recycles it into boost power when needed. That's Formula One thinking applied to heavy machinery. And the results are real. Increased productivity, less downtime, and a smaller carbon footprint. We're talking about pushing 78,000 pounds with precision and efficiency you've never seen before. But hold up, it's not just what's under the hood. The D75 is loaded with tech that brings it into the 2026 digital ecosystem. The cab is a cockpit now, with a 15-inch ultra-bright touchscreen interface, haptic controls, and real-time diagnostics. It connects via 6G to Caterpillar's cloud, giving operators access to over-the-air updates, machine health monitoring, predictive maintenance alerts, and even terrain adaptive performance settings. And yes, that means the machine can actually learn how it's being used and self-optimize for different types of soil, weather, or load requirements. AI in a bulldozer. Welcome to the future. Now let's talk autonomy. The D75 takes Cat Command to the next level. You can operate it remotely from over 2 miles away using a VR-enabled control system. There's latency compensation, force feedback, you actually feel what the blade is doing. The operator wears a headset, grips motion controls, and the machine responds in real time. Whether it's clearing a forest, pushing rubble in disaster zones, or fine grading for a massive site build, the D75 gives you the power to do it all from a safe, comfortable environment. And yes, you can switch seamlessly between remote and manual modes. Want to sit in the cab? Go ahead. Want to run the whole operation from a mobile command trailer? Just as easy. Let's not forget how this monster plays with the rest of your fleet. The D75's fully integrated with Cat's Smart Fleet ecosystem. It syncs with drones for aerial site scans, uses machine-to-machine communication to avoid collisions, and autologs performance data so site managers can analyze everything from fuel usage to productivity bottlenecks. It even talks to Cat's new Site Vision AR platform, so you can overlay site plans directly into your field of view while operating. That means less guesswork, tighter tolerances, and faster builds. Efficiency is no longer a goal, it's standard. We also can't skip over the comfort upgrades. The redesigned operator seat has full suspension, cooling, heating, lumbar memory, and an immersive audio system that cancels out outside noise while allowing you to hear important system alerts. The climate control is dual zone now, and there are even customizable ambient lighting options, because why not make the cab feel like a high-end SUV while you're crushing boulders? And yes, there's wireless charging for your phone. Full integration with Cat Assist voice control, and a biometric login system that personalizes the entire operating experience for whoever's in the seat. Let's move to performance on the ground. Field tests have shown the D75 outperforming all competitors in its class in side-by-side trials. It moves 9% more material per hour. Its intelligent traction control reduces slippage by 30%. Even blade control got a major upgrade. The new 4D Blade Assist uses GPS, gyroscopes, and LiDAR to hold grading tolerances down to 1.2 centimeters. For those in the industry, you know that's not just impressive, it's unheard of. That's the kind of precision that cuts rework costs and saves serious time on major builds. Caterpillar also leaned into sustainability hard. The D75 is built using more recycled materials than any cat dozer before it. The battery packs used in the hybrid system are modular and upgradable, meaning this machine is future-proof. And with the smart idle feature, it automatically shuts down non-essential systems during pauses to save energy. That's better for your bottom line and better for the planet. In terms of safety, the D75 includes 360-degree LiDAR with object recognition and hazard alerts, proximity sensors with adaptive slowdown, and even a predictive collision avoidance system that warns the operator or even stops the machine. An impact. All this is wrapped into Caterpillar's next-gen Guardian safety suite, setting new standards for job site safety. So where does the D75 land in the bigger picture? It's not just a new bulldozer. It's the benchmark. It's where construction equipment is going, and it's where every serious contractor wants to be. Whether you're grading a suburban housing plot, building a megadam, or shaping a future highway, the 2026 Caterpillar D75 gives you the power, precision, and connectivity to do it better than ever. The feedback from early adopters has been unanimous. This machine is a workhorse, a brainiac, and a tank, all in one. Operators say it cuts fatigue in half. Managers say it shaves weeks off. Timelines and investors, they see ROI written all over it. So if you're in the heavy equipment world or just a gearhead who loves seeing next-gen innovation in action, the D75 is something you absolutely need to witness. Because Caterpillar didn't just build a dozer, they built a revolution on tracks, and it's here to reshape everything. Smash that like button if you're blown away by the future of construction. Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next, and drop a comment below. Would you pilot the D75 manually or go full VR remote? Until next time, keep building the future.